Good morning, Seven. I just wanted to reach out and say, first of all, that I've been praying for you and that I hope you're feeling well. I wanted to go over HTML Activity 20 with you really quickly. I think we started looking at tables before you had surgery. But anyways, I just want to touch base with you. I know the assignment is due today. I am absolutely going to be flexible and show grace on that deadline for you. But anyways, let me go ahead because I can hear people coming and I have to get to second grade soon. I'm going to open up the pertinent documents. So attached to the assignment is the target page like we would normally have. But I also included here in Google Classroom attached to the assignment the slides specifically for helping code tables. I have a little toolbar here with my screen recorder that's in the way, so I'm going to drag that out of the way. I'm going to try to at least. Okay, so going back here to this page, I assigned it, I think, back during the snow days. Of course, these instructions refer to a program that we don't use, but once it actually loads, this is what your page should look like. We're getting there. Okay, here's what it should look like. You know I'm not exact on colors, so just some kind of reddish, orangish background, some kind of blue divs. Best video streaming websites is just underlined. It's not a link. I know sometimes that's hard to tell. These 4 pictures are also attached to the assignment. You'll, of course, download those and make sure that they get into the same folder where you have saved your page, which is a new page entitled htmlactivity20.html. In this second div, the H2 here is going to be just underlined as well, not a link. This video that you see here is actually in the folder, and so it's not in the folder, just kidding. I saw that on the screen. It's attached to the assignment also, so you can come back here and see it's attached. Anyways, so that video will be downloadable just like the images. Make sure it's in the same page as where your Activity 20 page is saved. Video streaming sites actually is going to be a table caption. Her font is a little bit larger. I'll accept regular sized font. But down here, it looks kind of, I thought it was kind of ugly at first, but it's because it's trying to make you use a table, and so it looks kind of crooked and whatnot, but we'll learn more about styling and centering fonts in a table at another time. But for right now, what I can tell you is this is the caption, or like the table's title, and this top row here, that's a row with 1, 2, 3, 4 cells, one for Netflix, one for Hulu, one for Prime Video, and one for YouTube. Also, you have visit site, visit site, visit site, visit site. It's done this way. Normally you think it would be more efficient just to put the link into the words up here, and actually it would be more efficient, but then we wouldn't be able to make a table for this assignment, and that's what this assignment is focusing on. Now tables, even my professor last semester said that tables were quite cumbersome, and he gave us some table builder websites, and I'll be glad to share those with you another time, but I just want to see one basic table from everyone first. So coming back over here to those table coding helps, if you go to that presentation which is attached to the assignment and go down to slide number 5, this shows you what a table would look like on the internet. You see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Except now we're going to have 4 cells per row, and they're going to say Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Hulu, I think it was. And instead of 4th, 5th, 6th, you're going to have visit site, visit site, visit site, visit site. Over here, looking at the code, I'm going to zoom in for you. I'm going to try to. You actually can just copy this code. There we go. It did demonstrate it finally. And convert it into the data that you need for this assignment that's over here in our target document. But so you would copy that and you would paste it into, I believe it's towards the bottom of your page. Yeah, so it's going to be actually the last thing in that second div. And I know that this is like a lot of terms all at once, and it's kind of spiraling through because it's our final HTML exclusive project. It has kind of a little bit of everything we've learned. Please let me know if I can refresh your memory on any of these concepts. But here I see TH in the table. Let me unhighlight it so I can re-highlight it for you. This is a row, just like anything with TD is a row. TD would just be regular rows. TH is like a table heading. So that's why you notice the font is a little bit bolder here in the top row, that's because it's considered a heading. So if you are actually using something where a table would be pertinent, like favorite fruit, favorite vegetable, favorite snack, I don't know, then you would list your regular information underneath in a regular font. But anyways, just that's the difference between TH and TD. Also, let's see. So these are the cells in each row. You have to frame each row with TR. So open TR, close, that should be TR, not BR, excuse me. Close TR. You also cannot forget to close the table, and I realize that that's in the wrong order, so you get to watch me fix it in real time. Okay. So of course we would want to close the row before we close the table. So anyways, this is a 2-row table. It is important that you use caption for the table's title. And of course up here, instead of table title, you would put best streaming websites. But you want to use that instead of just a regular old H2, because if for some reason the table element loaded in an awkward place on the page, then you might have your title up here. Can't see my hands on the screen. And you might have your content down here, and you just don't want it to get jumbled up. But if you use the caption feature, then it will keep that title with the table data, even if it loads somewhere crazy on the page. I know this is kind of a bam, 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 quick review, but anyways, I will make sure everyone in class gets this turned in today, and I just wanted to offer you the same assistance. Let us know if there's anything else I can do to help this make sense to you, and we continue to pray for you. Hope you feel well soon. Take care.